Got the first side almost all the way done. You can see the
shiny
inner liner. And the reason why we picked these, as you can stand on. Yep. The main surface for the double track. Ran in Disney, Oklahoma without the fenders, which was perfectly fine. It's pretty rocky out there, so we were expecting to have more rocks flinging up in mud and stuff, but really wasn't that bad. So with all the water crossings, everything kind of washed itself off before we left. Gonna bust this side out, get this one done, and then when we get you back, it'll be installing the double track to the top of the fenders. Here we are installing the all aluminum fenders and inner fenders from Combat Off-Road. Alexander McKenzie was like a pioneer. Like one of the first pioneers.
Want to go get some lunch?
Tacos. A chicken, 2 seasoned pork, hammered beef. We'll see how it is.
Dude, this quesadilla looks phenomenal.
Whoa, it's so hot. Thank you guys very much. It's delicious. Have a good day. We are using a center punch to center the drill bit in the desired location. Then the pilot hole, which helps to relieve pressure for the final cut. We open the hole to size, for us using a 5/16 drill bit. We end by cleaning up the edges to allow the track to sit flat. One, as you can see underneath here, you have each one of these is bolted in, and when we go around the other side, there's one like the back one that's got every hole full in it. So it looks really cool, and it's obviously mounted really sturdy. You put your tie down mounts to this, you can put your light mounts, do studs, hijack lifts, fuel tanks, really anything that you want.